that would work.
It's
Okay. Here, anyway, put this in your hand and squish it. Feel it.
No, thanks.
All right. You're being very stubborn. Remind me of somebody.
Can you please?
Oh, please. One
Can
more.
you please?
Okay, let's just stop the yelling, please, for a moment, okay? Please, for God. Oh, please, for God's sakes, Liam. I just need you not to do the yelling.
This is not even funny. You're supposed to be. Pam, back here.
You be nice to me, or I'll tickle you until you wet yourself.
I said over here.
Be nice to me, or I will tickle you until you pee.
You're over. Okay, you're over there. No, over there.
Okay, be careful. Be gentle.
That's close.
You forgot what to do, right? We've forgotten.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. One at a time. Very forceful train. Ding! Kyle, will you pick up the things on the floor out here before the cats pee on it?
Yay! We won.
To do to.
Oh my God! Hermilin Avenue is right there.
Oh my. Okay. What is it? Okay, Vermilion. And where am I? Over across from you? Parallel? Or parallel here? Or diagonal? This is diagonal? Oh, I know. Right here. Right here?
No, not perpendicular.
Parallel. Okay.
Yeah, and both sideways. And you back.
Okay. I have to be careful. Well, be careful. You know, Pop-Up made these beautiful bowls. Have you ever looked at them? Look, Liam. See, Pop-Up made these, aren't they? Look, Liam. Aren't they beautiful?
Get to your positions.
It flew out of my head.
You move.
Oh, okay.
Stop.
Okay, now we're good, right?
Move right.
Oh, I get it.
Move.
I get it. Okay, I get it now. Okay. Make the sound. Make the noise. Powerful. Powerful. Oh my God. It is a long one. Oh no, we're up in Kingston, aren't we? You may go. Look, there's the lane right there. I didn't want to hit Pop-Pop's bowls.
Yeah.
I love them very much. But it doesn't, does it?
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. Look, see, these do. And if I want to, I can pull them off. I can make the move. That's why it's called sculpture putty. Over here. Okay? Like right here?
Not plugging the loads.
It is. So how about over here? Here?
No, that's a.
This is good.
Oh no, the line is cut between that. You have to be.
Well, then you stand up.
No, the line is cut between that. You have to. No, the line is cut between that. You have to stay there because this is the roadway that it goes.
So where do you want me to be? Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, and I can reach out. You could stand up and we could reach.
No, stop.
Okay. Be fussy. Ooh, what's that sound? Ooh, what's that sound? I'm sorry. Is it an all-electric train?
No, it's a steam train. This train doesn't have a bell. The train doesn't have a bell.
No? How come? There's a...
You're standing right over here this time. And you tag along in the back. The next crossing...
This way? Tell me which way. This way? Okay, good. Good. Okay, good idea.
Yeah, move the coffee.
Yeah.
And then move this.
Do you want me to move anything else? Oh, okay, good. We're good. Here we go. You may go. That was a very short train, was it?
Parallel. And you parallel. Gates up. Stop.
Where are you?
It was in my eye.
That doesn't happen.
Well, her gate was not up.
I know, I saw that.
Okay, Liam, you stand in a trap spot.
Hey! No! Come out.
I
Liam.
want this.
Liam.
This is the crossing.
All right, let's get it done. You got to come out of here now, quickly,
No.
before Pop-Up sees you. Come on. What? Do it.
Right there.
Okay. Go on.
You're blocking the road. You got the activation?
Activate. Don't say anything.
Everything's gonna fall, they're just hanging
Okay.
there. God.
Together, huh? Okay. This was not a great idea.
Yeah.
That's a nice tablecloth.
Can someone help me? Can you get me out of this problem? No.
Stop. I'm getting you out of this problem. You just asked me. I'm getting you out.
Pick him up over. No, bring him over.
Do you realize the things are just hanging
Okay,
there?
stop.
Bring him over the top.
Oh,
Pam.
okay, honey, I can't. I can't. Okay.
Every-
Okay, Craig, please, I don't anymore. You left me with Clara. Stop it.
But of all places.
Stop it, please. Okay.
Like that.
We're not gonna do that again. It seemed like a bad idea, didn't it?
No, not in there.
Oh.
He admitted.
Oh. My bad.
Where are you? Liam?
Right here.
Oh. So you had a lot of bottles to return, didn't you?
I had a lot in double and not the double-sided gates we have it, and you will be doing the same. And let me take this gate because Part 23 is gonna have this. This is the last crossing of part number 23.
Okay. And next week we'll do 10 crossings.
Stop!
Oh.
That's double-sided.
Okay. We'll do 10 crossings.
We did. 10 crossings is gonna be part 25.
25? Okay.
Over
We'll
there.
do 10 at a time. 10 and then.
Don't you remember the crossing goes from the left side to the right side?
No, I don't. Okay. Which way? Am I in the correct position?
Yeah.
That train's coming through right here. You may go, or you may go. That train was very quiet. I bet the neighbors like that train. You look so cool.
It's the usual.
You look like a racing car driver.
Anyway, for this video, I'm gonna end this video for now.
Okay.
If I could get back to
You want to put the date on it?
And
Put the date on the video?
I'm gonna come back soon.
I
Bye.
think it's the 18th.